Welcome to Science in 5. In this video, we're going to do an introduction to the idea of exponents. Exponents represent a shorthand of writing repeated multiplication. So for example, if I have 2 times 2 times 2, this can be written as 2 to the power of 3. If I have 4 times 4, this can be written as 4 to the power of 2. If I have p times p times p times p, this can be represented as p to the power of 4. What if I have a number like 10? Well, 10 can be represented as 10 to the power of 1. Now you'll notice that all these numbers have got something in common. They've got a base that is being raised to some exponent or degree. So which means any number or term can be converted into exponential format. So how would you convert a number into this exponential format? It's an important skill that a mathematician has to have in their toolkit, because we'll come across exponents every now and again. Okay, so we now need to bring in this idea of prime numbers. So prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself. So the list of prime numbers will begin from 2, goes on to 3, 5, 7, 11, and it goes on and on. So to convert a number into exponential form, we are basically making the base a prime number. The base has to be one of those prime numbers, and then we can add the exponent. Okay, so it's a skill. Let's see how we can do this. Suppose we want to convert the number 60 into exponential form. How are we going to do this? How can we achieve this? Well, 60 is equal to what? Let me think of any two factors that I can think of. Well, I'm thinking of 2 and 30. 60 equals 2 times 30. The 2 is already a prime number, so I can leave it on the side. Then I can deal with the 30. 30, 5 times 6. I can see again that the 5, like the 2, is a prime number. I need to deal with the 6. What are the factors of 6? It's 2 and 3. So now I can write 60 as a product of its prime factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. But those 2's are multiplying themselves repeatedly, so I can square them, then multiply by 5 like that. That's one example. What if I've got a number like 50? How can I convert 50 into exponential form? Well, I'm going to do the same I did with the 60. What are the two factors of 50 that I can think of? 5 and 10. 5 times 10. The 5 is a prime number. I'll leave it on the side. Factors of 10 that I can think of: 2 and 5. So now the 50 can be written now as a product of those prime factors. I can see there is a 2, and there's repeated multiplication of the 5's. This becomes 2 times 5 squared. So there you go. So that's how you can convert a number into exponential form, and that's how you can write numbers into exponential form. Hope you understood that. See you next time when we develop the idea of exponents more and you deal with more exciting problems.